Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do drafting of two patterns. For that you will require the pattern of your basic trouser. Link of this pattern is in description box, must check from there. First we will do drafting of palazzo, or you can say wide pants. Place your pattern and now you have to trace your pattern from waist area till your crotch area. So after tracing the pattern from waist to crotch area, now I will extend the width from my ankle point. So this is my ankle point, and from this point I will extend the width of my pattern to make it wide. So from this side I will extend 6 inches. You can extend according to your requirement. And on other side, that is my crotch area, I will extend 3 inches. So as you can see, I have extended the width of my pattern from my ankle area, and now join this point with upper point and this point with next upper point. So I have joined both the point in a straight line, and I have traced the dart on the waist area. So this is front of my wide leg pant or palazzo. Do the same process with the back. This is very easy and simple method to convert your basic trouser. So this is my final pattern of palazzo after cutting. So now I am going to make the pattern of culottes. For that, as you have used the same pattern to make the pattern of palazzo, and now for culottes, first of all you have to mark the knee point. This is my knee point. Mark till the knee point, and from this knee point mark 6 inches down. As you know, the length of culottes is shorter. From knee point mark 6 inches down, and that will be my culottes length. And as you have extended the width in the palazzo pattern, with the same process you have to extend width for this culottes, but the measurement will be less. So this is my crotch side. Extend 2 inches. And on other side extend 3.5 inches. You can also change the measurements according to your requirement. I have marked the width of my culottes, and now I will trace my pattern till my crotch area and then join the crotch area with the extended points. As I have joined the extended point with the crotch and the side area, so this is my pattern of culottes. Now I will do all the detailings, and I have also traced the dart. So this is the front side. Make the back side with the same process. So these both pattern I have made from the basic trouser. This is very easy and simple method to make the pattern. Hope you all have understood this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.